Lines.
Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The possibility of getting the COVID-19 vaccine has elicited mixed responses from Jamaican athletes and coaches. However, the Tokyo Olympics could be the deciding jab. Jermaine Brown has part one of this two-part story.
While athletes and officials will not be required to receive a COVID-19 vaccine in order to take part in this year's Tokyo Olympic Games, the International Olympic Committee says it will still encourage and assist individual countries to vaccinate their teams ahead of arrival in Japan. But the issue of vaccination is at times eyed by some with skepticism. So, how ready are Jamaican athletes and coaches to be vaccinated ahead of the Games? Renowned MVP track coach Stephen Francis says he does not have a problem with the vaccine or its requirement.
We will be actively looking for vaccinations to deal with athletes, and so that travel becomes less problematic, because I suspect it's going to be a requirement or to make your life easier to enter different countries later down in the year.
Two of his athletes in 400-meter hurdler, Genevieve Russell, and sprinter Julian Fort, explained why they will take the vaccine if required.
I feel like the vaccination will play a big role in traveling, through different countries. But I mean, it depends on how you look at it, because going to Brazil, we had to be vaccinated. We had to get the yellow fever vaccination. I remember getting that. But I think because of the whole novelty with this virus and everything like that, a lot of people are a little bit apprehensive, or a lot, apprehensive. But as I said, if it comes down to it and we have to take it, then that's just what we have to do.
As long as it doesn't have a side effects on the athlete, I'm prepared to take the vaccination. As I said before, this is my job. This is how I live my life. This is how I get paid. So to take the vaccine is a must for me, so I can, get to compete at the Olympic Games.
But 2015 World Championship shot put bronze medalist Odain Richards, also from MVP, has questions.
Well, currently I'm still on the fence. There's still a lot more to be learned from the vaccinations, the different types. As I understand, there are many. What are the implications of the vaccine? Will there be any anti-doping considerations taken? Will it be safe, for athletes to perform? We must take the pandemic seriously, but we must also take life after track seriously.
For World Championship 400-meter finalist Demish Gay and his Sprintech teammate, sprint hurdler Yannick Thompson, well, it's a simple equation.
Well, if it's a choice I have to make, then sure.
Yes, I will take the test, because I would want to be in the best of health to go to the Olympics.
In part two, is Jamaica behind on the issue of vaccination and competition for sportsmen and women during the coronavirus pandemic? Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.